Students, in the previous video, you have seen how much destructive the wars were. The amount of loss of life and destruction in the two cities that was seen in World War II was 1,000 times greater than the damage that happened during World War I. As you can see in these pictures, the effects of the atom bombs were so long reaching for generations after generations. Children were born deformed. So finally, the world learned a lesson and the world came together to find a way to prevent wars in the future, and finally the UN came into the existence. Now let's read about the UN and its objective. The United Nations. The United Nations is an international organization. It was founded in 1945 after the World War II. 51 countries were initially the members of the United Nations. It came into being on 24th October at San Francisco in USA. Every year the day is celebrated as UN Day all over the world. Means 24th October is celebrated as the UN Day. The UN headquarters complex is situated in New York, USA. At present, 193 countries are the members of the UN. Initially, 51 countries were the member of UN and now this number has increased to 193. Now, let's read about the main objectives of the UN. The first and foremost objective of the UN is maintaining international peace and security and to prevent wars, developing friendly relations among nations, encouraging international cooperation in solving economic, social, cultural, and humanitarian problems. Like now, all the countries are working together to prevent from the deadly disease of corona. Protecting human rights and basic freedom all over the world, irrespective of caste, color, creed, sex, or language, means all persons are equal. Human rights. Human rights are the basic rights and freedoms that belong to every person in the world. They apply regardless of where you are from, what you believe, how you choose to live your life. Now let's read about the human rights. Universal Declaration of Human Rights. In order to achieve the welfare of the humanity at large, the UN issued the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. It was adopted on 10th December 1948. Due to this, the day is celebrated as World Human Rights Day. Means 10th December is celebrated as World Human Rights Day. Some of the important human rights stated in this declaration are: right to live as free citizen of a country, means no person can keep you like a slave. Equality before the law. Right to freedom of expression, means you can express your views freely. Right to education and employment. Equal pay for equal work. No discrimination based in sex or religion, means all persons are equal irrespective of their sex or religion. Now let's read about the symbol of United Nations. The symbol of the UN is a world map surrounded by two olive branches in white color on a light blue background, as you can see in the picture. The olive branches are a symbol of peace. This symbol was adopted by the UN on 28th October 1947.